guys, Steph here. Okay, let's take a look what we've got for you today. What we've got for you is a gorgeous pen. Now, very briefly, this was actually supposed to be a before and after video. Unfortunately, being a person with very little patience, I already started work on the pen before I realised that I wanted to do a before and after. So, never mind, we'll do a review on the pen anyway because it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have actually shown you this pen before, as well as the green model as well. So what we've got is a Conway Stewart 77, made in England, and this one, as you can see, comes in this gorgeous blue herringbone pattern. This model came in four different colours. It came in a standard black version, it came in a red version, it came in a green version, and the fourth being this one, which in my opinion is the more sought after of all the colours, the blue herringbone. The size of the pen capped around about 137mm capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 12mm in diameter. Let's take you up to the barrel imprint. You can see it says Conway Stewart 77, and then just underneath there we've got made in England. So, as I say, a stunning pen. The 77 is a lovely sized fountain pen. It's not small, it's not an oversized, but in my opinion, I think it may have been sort of at that particular period, and when I say period, sort of the 1950s, it may have actually been, you know, around the top of the range within the Conway Stewart range of pens. It's a stunning pen. You've already noticed it's what we term as a lever fill fountain pen. It's got this small lever with the sort of lollipop at the end with a Conway Stewart logo. If we take you up to the cap, you can see it's got these two thin cap bands on the outside of a medium cap band. And then if we take you to the top there, you've got the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip with the diamond logo to the top, and to the very top we've got this black peaked stud to the top of the cap there. The pen, well, as I said a little bit earlier, the pen has been fully restored, new sack, everything's been disassembled, everything's been cleaned. As I say, it's a stunning example. So let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in a number of different angles. Okay, absolutely beautiful. And as I say, I believe the blue herringbone is the more sought after colour within these herringbone colours. You can see the section, very recognisable Conway Stewart section. Slight ridge towards the nib, and then if we show you the nib there, keep it nice and still for you, we've got a Duro Conway Stewart 14 carat, and then to the very bottom there we've got the number 58, which is the correct nib for this model. So a lovely large Duro nib. Again, the Duro nibs were sort of the top of the range within the Conway Stewart pens of the period, so that indicates that, well, it indicates to me that this may have been sort of one of the top of the range pens of that period. Everything, as always, is lovely and clean. So a lovely sized fountain pen with my large hands, very comfortable to hold. And what we'll do, we'll bring on some paper, because I've put a new sack in it and everything's been serviced, cleaned, etc. I'm not going to fill the pen, we'll leave that to the new owners, but what we'll do, let's give it a dip test and just see how it writes. So what we've got is a Conway Stewart, the number 77 being the blue herringbone pattern. Let's just give it another little bit of a dip. With these pens, I'm not expecting any flexibility in the nib. It's quite a stiff nib, which is not unusual for this pen. But as you can see there, nice and simply writing with a fine line. Okay, so there we have it. Writing nicely, no flex, nice and simple. It's a fine nib and writing with a fine line. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll clean that nib after the video, and there we have it. I'm going to keep it quite short, although saying that I do tend to natter on quite a bit. But let's just show you this sort of herringbone colour a little bit close up. Absolutely gorgeous. I think the blue, for me personally, is the favourite colour within the herringbone range, and then secondly being the red, and I think thirdly the green. But saying that, they're all beautiful pens. So let's leave it at that. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing it to you people. As always, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video, press that thumbs up button just below. Give it a thumbs up. A lot of you people forget that, but please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and then you don't miss any of the videos. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.